How to extended triangle pose or Uttita Trikonasana. First, we start at the side of the mat. Either you start from your left or your right. In my case, I start from my right. Legs wide apart and heels in line. Right foot, right knee, hip and shoulders in alignment. The right toe is pointing to the front in 90 degrees grounded, while the left toe is 45 degrees pointed front and grounded. Inhale, extend both arms to the side and slowly shift your torso towards the front. Exhale, lengthen your spine and extend straight the right leg as you shift your weight forward and gaze to the front. As you're leaning forward towards the pose, the right palm should be resting on the mat or holding your right big toe or right ankle, or it could be stacking above your right shin. Or if it's too much for you, you may use a block. Or put your right elbow on your right knee and gaze towards your left fingertips as your drishti. Stay here for a couple of breaths or for a minute. Inhale, slowly come up and exhale to the center. Now let's do the other side. Inhale, extend both arms and lean forward towards your left. Exhale down. Stack your left palm above your left shin and gaze to your right fingertips. Keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale to the center. Inhale and exhale to mountain.